cookies. So today I'll be trying out some Asian candy. So yeah, we have a few options. So I want to start out with this drink. I may have had it, but if I had it, then it would be years ago. So yeah. They're always so scared to open, so wish me luck. This is like skin colored, so it looks like I'm not wearing a shirt, but I have like glitter. I'm actually so scared because the moment of truth. Fucking boob, bruv. This is pineapple flavored. I'm scared of pineapples. I'm really scared of pineapples because I have trauma from pineapples. Comment down below if I should tell you where the trauma came from. I mean, what can I say? It tastes like pineapple and I don't care of pineapples. Let's try another thing. Now this looks they look kind of scary. I don't know how long they've been at the store. That absolutely did nothing. It tastes like, no, it smells like acetone. I don't really know if I can trust these. Will I get like diarrhea from these? Maybe. No, it's not bad, but they taste kind of oily. I would eat. Next, I've already tried these in my different video, but I don't really give a fudge. They smell like fish. They're so freaking good. They smell so rotten, but let's try out some poke, shall we? I don't know really what I'm doing right now. I obviously tried this before, but that was like a year ago because it's quite pricey. For the price, they're not really that good, I gotta say. They're good, but they're not that good. This would be like the cute girls on TikTok in 2021, like the e-girls. Like, yeah. Oh. Thumbnail posing. I finally found it. I don't like it. When people try to make something taste like strawberry, just tastes like shit. I might be able to read right here. Move, no. That's all I can read. Okay, I think it says Ramu Nano. That's a big brain. Let's do ASMR version of this. It smells like fish everywhere. Oh, so I don't want to bring these to school and put them in the classroom. So the classroom would smell really bad, but I won't do that. ASMR. Fucking Mississippi. Fucking poop. It's on my jeans. Anyway. What the hell? On my computer. Why are all my apps gone? Apple, can you explain yourself? There used to be Roblox, Netflix, HBO, YouTube, other fucking shit, and TikTok. What happened to those things, huh? Explain. Hello Kitty, you did a great job. She came back like a boomerang. Oh, this shit nasty from my other videos. Wait, let's have a darker background. If my ukulele just started screaming, bro. You know damn well I don't know how to play this shit, so let's rate all these things from a 1 to 10. 4 out of 10. Would rate this lower, but I feel bad for it. 8 out of 10. The smell brings these down so much because it smells too much. I forgot the taste. But this being pineapple flavored, it's still good. Like a 9 out of 10. These could also be a 9 out of 10, but the smell, honestly, this may be a 10 out of 10, even though I'm scared of pineapples. Because, by the way, do you guys want to know why I have trauma from them? Yeah, comment down below.
I may explain it in another video.
Yeah, I feel like 9 out of 10, I don't know.
Honestly, 5 out of 10. I don't like strawberry flavored things so much because they always fuck the taste buds up. But this is honestly still pretty good, but I don't know.
Real strawberries are way better. These, honestly, they're good, but you get tired from them so easily. 5 out of 10, I guess. They're good, but I don't know. This is like, it's so bold. I need to download an app to make this sound better because this is unacceptable, okay? That is unacceptable. So, anyway, cookies, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to buy a cookie. Bye! That sounded so cringe.